Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush, enchanting forest, a group of colorful birds lived harmoniously among the towering trees. The forest was a symphony of greens, with thick canopies of leaves and the gentle rustling of the wind. Begin with a scenic shot of the dense forest. Show a few birds perched on tree branches, grooming their feathers. Narrate the peaceful ambience of the forest and introduce the main characters. Show the first rays of sunlight breaking through the leaves.